In this video, I will guide the process of using Windows split screen capability. In order to use this, I will use the Windows key. So I'm going to press Windows key, and that will put it over here. Now I can also make it on the right, so I can do I can shift it down. That'll minimize it, or I can maximize it, or I can put it in the middle. For example, if I open File Explorer and want to view my files alongside Chrome, I can press the Windows key, and then it gives me an option here. I can select Chrome, and then if I want to shift it up, I can adjust the window size. There's also an option to install something called PowerToys. With fancy zones, let's give it a moment. I can create custom layouts. I can have a priority grid, rows. I can change the spacing. I can the arrangement. So if I want to drag this, and that's how you manage your screen. To install PowerToys, go to Google PowerToys. Go on and install. Click on Assets. Might take a little bit of time to initialize. The Windows split screen capability can be handy, for example, if I'm working on a file and I would like to upload it to a Google image search. So I can put Chrome on this side, and then choose a picture, upload it. So, or for example, maybe I'm working on an Excel document. and I want to copy something from here. I can copy between applications. Maybe I'm watching a tutorial video on YouTube over here, and then I'm doing what's in the tutorial video.